Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most popular compact SUVs on the market, the new 2026 Tata Nexon. Known for its sharp design, solid build quality, and impressive safety ratings, the Nexon has earned a loyal following across India. The 2026 model brings refreshed styling, upgraded tech, and improved comfort, making it more appealing than ever. Let's explore what's new and why this Nexon stands out in the crowded SUV segment. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Tata Nexon arrives with a more refined and futuristic design. Tata has updated the front with sleeker LED DRLs, a sharper grille pattern, and a cleaner bumper layout for a more premium look. The body lines are smoother, and the redesigned alloy wheels give the SUV a sportier stance. At the rear, the connected LED light bar adds a modern touch. New color options and subtle styling revisions ensure the Nexon continues to turn heads on both city roads and highways. Performance and powertrain. For 2026, the Nexon continues with its trusted petrol and diesel powertrains, tuned for better refinement and fuel efficiency. The engines are paired with improved manual and DCT automatic options that offer smoother shifts and quicker response. Ride comfort has been enhanced through revised suspension settings, making daily commutes more relaxing while still handling rough roads confidently. The steering feel is more precise, giving drivers better control in both urban and highway conditions. Safety and technology. Safety has always been a strong point for the Nexon, and the 2026 model builds on that reputation. It features updated ADAS functions, including lane assist and improved emergency braking. Inside, the cabin features a larger touchscreen with wireless smartphone connectivity, a customizable digital cluster, and enhanced voice commands. Higher variants offer a premium sound system, a 360-degree camera, and ventilated seats, adding convenience and sophistication to the overall.